Hi, everyone! Today, we're bringing you an installation video for a premium pendant light from Dazuma. The box contains 3 layers. The first layer holds the main lamp unit, 1 accessory kit, and 1 instruction manual. The second layer contains 5 crystal glass tubes. The third layer holds 4 crystal glass tubes. First, remove the screws at both ends of the product. Please keep the removed screws in a safe place. They will need to be reinstalled later. Please remove the metal mounting plate from the product and set it aside. Please remove the 9 screws on one side of the product and keep them in a safe place. Please remove the 9 screws on one side of the product and keep them in a safe place. Remove the 7 screws from the other side of the product housing, leaving the top 2 screws in place. Please install your own light bulbs. Note that we do not provide light bulbs. Please align this side of the casing properly. Do not let go. Please follow the steps demonstrated in our video to install the 9 crystal glass tubes. Keep your right hand firmly supporting the right side semicircular outer shell throughout the process. Please reinstall the 2 retaining screws from the side semicircular outer casings that were previously removed. Please follow along with us. Reinstall the metal tubes that were previously removed. For each metal tube installed, secure it with 1 fastening screw on each side. Place the product mounting template at the location where you intend to install the product. Then begin marking the positions. Finally, use an electric drill to drill the holes. Insert the 2 screws from the accessory kit using a hammer. Then position the mounting plate and secure it with the mounting screws. Next, we recommend having another person assist with the installation. Then, connect the power cord from the product base to your power supply. Please reinstall the 2 screws that were previously removed. Product installation completed. Dazuma, your best lighting butler.